guide you through how to install mods and shaders inside your Minecraft. If you guys find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and liking the video. Let's get on with it. So in order to get mods, you need to click open your browser, write in curseforge.com. Once this website opens up, go to Minecraft, browse all, and these are all your mods. You can see the mod packs, shaders, mods, etc, etc. Before we choose a mod pack to download, I have to say a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to create a Minecraft server, look no further than Apex Hosting. They provide lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. You can host your own adventures with ease. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backup. Please be sure to check them out. The link will be in the description of the video, and we'll also make a comment and pin it, and you can check them out. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and download this mod, Alex's Mobs. This will give us many different types of animals in the game and just add flavor to our game. However, make sure to read the description of any mod that you're trying to download. For example, over here it says this mod requires another mod called Citadel. So it's no problem for us. We can just download this mod first, Citadel, and then go ahead and download Alex's Mobs. But this is called a dependency. That means this mod is dependent on some other mod. Most mods don't have a dependency, but some do. So make sure to check it out. Otherwise, you'll be left wondering why your mod pack isn't working. So first we'll go and download the Citadel mod. Make sure we're downloading it for Forge and our game version. This is Forge Loader and this is my game version, so I have no problem. Just click on the three dots, hit download, and it will start downloading. We can do the same thing over here for Alex's Mobs. Go to Files, look for the Forge Loader, which is our loader, and look for our game version, which is up top here, no problem. Click on the three dots, download file. So the next thing you need to do is come over to your web browser. Over here, you need to write Forge Loader. This is the loader which will help us install the mods. Click the first link. When the website loads up, on this left hand side you'll see the Minecraft version. We need to make sure that the version of this installer that we're downloading matches the version of the mods that we downloaded. I'm running the version 120.1, so I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to click this installer button right here. And then this website is going to pop up. We can just hit the skip button on the top right hand side here. It will skip the ad. Then you should open your file explorer and go to downloads to navigate to the file you want. Click save, and we can go and try to run it. Now if you try opening it and you run into an error of some kind or it won't open, that's maybe because your PC doesn't have Java yet. So what you should do is come back to your browser, click open a new tab, and write in java.com. From here, you can download Java for desktops and then hit on this download button again. Once your Java downloads, just run it and install it, and then this Forge Loader should work fine. However, if it's still not opening for you, then you need to do a jar fix, which links your Java files and your jar files all together and verifies them. So go back to your browser, open up a new tab, and write in jarfix download. Click open this website right over here. Over here, there's a small text highlighted in blue saying jarfix.exe. Click on that and it will also start downloading. Once it downloads, you should also run the jarfix. Just open it up, install it, and everything should be fine. Now when you open the Forge Loader, it should open up like so. Once it opens up, just click this install client, which is already clicked, so you don't need to do anything else but to press this OK button right here. Once the Forge Loader is done installing, you can click this OK button right here. Go to your Minecraft launcher, go to installations, and Forge Loader right here. This is the loader we're going to use. Open installation folders, click on the mods folder, and then we can go where the other mods are downloaded right here. We can just refresh this page. These are our mods. We can drag them into this folder, and now we can run our game. As you can see, there's this mods section here. If you click it, it'll tell us that we have Forge Loader, the Citadel mod that we downloaded, and Alex's Mobs. Now we can go ahead, single player, create new world, set it to creative just because I want to explore a little bit, and then create new world. And as you can see, I just loaded into the game and I've just seen a whale which I've never seen in Minecraft before. It's quite a small whale, but it's something that I am fascinated to see. I'm sure if you explore, you'll find more animals. Oh, I don't know what this is. This is something that I've never seen in Minecraft before. It's so cool that people can do this, and you can get it pretty easily too, and we hope this guide is helpful. So the next thing I'm going to teach you is how to download shaders to make this game look even more beautiful and realistic. Now we need to head back to CurseForge, because now we need to get a shader pack for our game to look more beautiful. Once you're back in CurseForge, just hit Minecraft, browse all, shaders, and I'm just going to get the complementary shaders because these are what I usually use. Although you can get any one of these that you like, you can look at the description. Whichever looks most beautiful to you, you can get that. You can even get multiple shaders and stack them on top of each other. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to simply go for complementary shaders. Once you've found out your version, you can just go ahead and click these three dots, download it. Just head back to your browser and write Optifine. We need this to load up our shaders. Click on the first link and then look for your Minecraft version after hitting this downloads button over here. This will show you all the versions that Optifine is available for. If you hit this button right here, we're gonna download it for this version. Just click on mirror and then click on download. When it downloads, just open it and then hit install. It will install pretty quickly and your work here is done. Once it's downloaded, we need to head back to Minecraft Launcher, Installations, open Installations folder, and we can't put the shaders in the mods folder. We actually need to put them in the shader packs folder, which you'll also find in these files. Open the shader packs folder, and as you can see, this is empty. That's why we had no shaders. Then go to where you downloaded your shaders, refresh it, drag the shaders in. There's one more thing we need to do. We need to head back to the mods folder and drag the Optifine that we installed into the mods folder so our Forge loader recognizes it. We've already installed it. We just need to drag it into the mods folder because it's a mod, and then we can minimize these two tabs and go to play and enjoy our game with both shaders and with mods. And when you load into your game, it will look absolutely wonderful. I mean, this is just a sight to behold. However, if you loaded up your game and it still looked like it normally does, then you need to hit escape, go to options, video settings, shaders, and double click these shaders right here. The loading screen will pop up, and then when you're back in game, it'll look absolutely amazing. That's all for this video. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.